Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. This prevents later provisioning failures. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and open your Eskimo account to retrieve the QR or activation code. Next, go to Settings, then Cellular, and choose Add Cellular Plan. You'll use the camera to scan the Eskimo QR or manually paste the activation code. Make sure battery is above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. After scanning or entering the code, tap Download to install the Eskimo eSIM profile. This writes carrier settings to your device. Once installed, you must assign the plan as primary or secondary and set which line handles voice, SMS, and mobile data. This prevents call or data conflicts. If you're traveling, enable data roaming or confirm the APN settings. Eskimo usually auto-provisions APN, but check manually if you see no data. Finally, pause. Once the profile shows active, restart your device to finalize network registration and make sure the Eskimo plan appears under cellular plans. Then test. Open a web page, send an SMS, and try a short call or a speed test to confirm data. If something goes wrong, first toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then restart, and if needed, remove and reinstall the eSIM profile. This resolves most provisioning errors. If problems persist, contact Eskimo support with your activation code and device model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.